this exciting world of software development, DevOps and Agile work together in perfect harmony to drive innovation and efficiency. Agile helps the team to stay flexible and work together smoothly based on real-time feedbacks. Meanwhile, DevOps ensures a quick and reliable delivery of updates. Together, they also progress, enhance quality, and delight customers, turning the development process into a pleasant and efficient masterpiece. With this said, I hope you have understood the topic that we'll be discussing on, which will be DevOps versus Agile. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another informative video on DevOps versus Agile by Edureka. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech content from Edureka. Also, visit the Edureka website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Now, let's deep dive into the topic. First, let me explain you what is DevOps. DevOps is like a set of practices that combines the development team and the IT operation team to shorten the development lifecycle and continuously deliver high-quality software. Many top companies use this DevOps approach because if they find any mistake, they can update them or resolve them in a very short period of time. This will help the product to be delivered soon, development will be more constant, and the software development process will be much successful. On the other hand, we have Agile. It is a way of developing a software that will focus on being flexible and working together. Instead of planning everything at a time, team breaks the project into small parts and work on them one at a time. This approach will help the team to adapt quickly to the changes and improve continuously, making sure that they will deliver the best possible product. I hope now you have understood what is actually DevOps and what is Agile. Let's move on to the differences between DevOps and Agile. First one will be the purpose. An Agile process uses an iterative approach, which will quickly and efficiently evolve to respond to customer needs. Whereas DevOps practices combine the development and the operation team, using automation for continuous deployment. Next, we have principles. Agile mindset revolves around teams who prioritize delivering working software through constant communication with the client. This allows for adaptability to new information and keeps projects relevant in the world. Whereas DevOps will focus on 5 principles: culture for communication, automation to streamline tasks, learn principle to eliminate waste, measuring for continuous improvement, and sharing to promote transparency and knowledge exchange. These principles work together to enhance efficiency and software quality. Next, we have practices. Agile development breaks tasks into small stories and communicate daily in stand-up meetings. A team will work for shorter periods to manage complex projects and improve efficiency. Whereas the DevOps software development method will highlight continuous delivery, automation, monitoring, and continuous integration. Then we have team skills. Agile team members are more flexible, adaptable, multifunctional, and are strong communicators. There will be technical and non-technical people working in it. Where DevOps team members automate processes with IAC, deploy software, and generally there are much technical people involved in this. Next up, we have toolkits. Agile will make use of the project management tools like Trello for version control, Git is used for changing the code and communication, Slack is used to keep the code in sync. Whereas DevOps will focus on bigger building process. They use configuration management tools to automate infrastructure setup, CI/CD tools to automate building, testing, and deployment. Lastly, monitoring tools to keep an eye on everything. And lastly, we have risk management, rapid development with risk mitigation, like sprinting to the finish line but with a safety net. You break down your project into smaller tasks and work quickly using efficient methods. Whereas in DevOps, it ensures that the changes wouldn't risk project integrity, meaning making sure any modification to the project wouldn't negatively impact its overall quality, performance, or ability to achieve its goal. It's like safeguarding the health of the project throughout its development. Now, let me take a case study as an example to compare DevOps versus Agile. Let's take Spotify as an example, as it is a popular music streaming platform that personalizes the customer's experience and delivers new features quickly to a large and various user comments. Their traditional waterfalls development process led to slow innovation, and it's difficult to adapt to user feedbacks. So, Spotify embraced agile methodology, focusing on the short sprints with user stories that prioritize features based on user needs. They also implemented DevOps practices, utilizing CI/CD pipelines for automated testing and deployment. Additionally, they also adapted a culture of experimentation, allowing teams to test new features with a small setup of users before broader rollouts. This approach has enabled Spotify to personalize music recommendations, roll out new features more frequently, and adapt to user feedback faster. Their experimentation culture allowed them to test and refer features before wider deployment, reducing the risk of introducing bugs or unpopular features. This shows us that DevOps and Agile are better when they work together. Still, for Spotify needs of rapid feature development and reliable deployment, DevOps is the best choice. Now let us see the future of DevOps and Agile. In the future, the scope of DevOps and Agile in AI and ML will be like DevOps, it will automate repetitive tasks like a tireless construction crew, freeing developers for creative problem solving. Agile, like a weather forecast for the building, provides data insights that enables developer to make better decisions about features and priorities in AI ML development. Next, let's see the role of DevOps and Agile in an advanced collaboration tool. Agile promotes effective teamwork and frequent communication, which is very essential for distributed teams, whereas DevOps combines these tools into development pipeline for seamless project management. Lastly, we have infrastructure as code and GitHubs. Agile supports continuous improvement and updates, enabling quick adaptation to the changes, where DevOps drives automation and consistency in infrastructure management through IAC and GitHubs. So, I'm here to conclude that both DevOps and Agile are essential, but DevOps is better if you focus on automating and streamlining the entire software delivery process. At the same time, Agile is better if you need to improve flexibility and responsiveness in the development phase. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!